To the 1, to the 2, to the 3, to the 4, to the 6, to the 7. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. Here I come, here I come, here I go, whatever. I know you like the new wardrobe. I know you like the brand new Janet ladies. Like what the shit. And you know I like doing just the hotties and shit like that. And kiss them on the lips. It's the big bad wolf. How, how, with the body. With the music, which is crazy fine. And the auto-tune can go suck it, because I don't use the auto-tune. It's the big bad wolf. With the bottom roll. Feel like in the stride. I like to kiss the girls on the lips, in the bikinis, or the Victoria's Secret shit like that. It's the big bad wolf. Did I just curse? I don't care, that's right. Cause I'm the big bad wolf with the foul language and shit like that. And I'm master on the electric guitar. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your middle fingers up. And I can really rock the show, rock the show. Rock the show, rock the show, rock the whole United States. It's the big bad wolf, rock the whole universe. From London to Japan, I can rock the whole world. And it really doesn't matter if you're well or black. Always is incorrect. I love to see the hot ladies shake their asses to the heavy metal and shit like that. Or headbang. Witty witty to the whack. It's the big bad wolf. I can rock the house. I can rock the... I can rock the mansion. I can rock hard rock, harder than anybody. It's the big bad wolf. I know I didn't steal this beat. I know I didn't steal this riff either. Here I come on the drums. It's the big bad wolf. I killed the chickens with my rifle. I made Kentucky Fried Chicken. It was hot sauce. Oh, because I'm the big bad bull. And I killed the three little pigs. And made sausage and pepperoni and ham. And I kissed little Red Riding Hood on the lips. The holiday. Because it's the big bad bull. I'll keep butting blowing. Here I come on the drums again. Now I can work harder than these boys share. I shot the cows and made them into meatloaf and shit like that first. And with some hot sauce. Spicy barbecue sauce. It's the big bad wolf. It's the big bad wolf. Push bang pow, we the whack. You can't stop me. With the rock and roll beat, it goes boom, 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 boom. And I don't do no effing drugs. I play the what they call it, a master. And I play the drums like a master too. Now I have to get the hide the sheets and make love to them and shit like that. It's the big bad bull. It's the big bad bull. And I can really rock the whole show. I can rock the whole world. I can rock the whole planet Earth. I can rock the whole universe. Norio. It's the big bad wolf, and I can really rock the show. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, just a little bit. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, just a little bit. Yeah, turn it up, and I can get the girls to undress faster and pull their false panties off. I can really rock the whole show. Ow! It's the big bad wolf, and I can rock the whole show harder than anybody. Ow! I can rock the internet harder than anybody. Ow! No, I can't slam dunk, but I can definitely rock the whole show harder than anybody. I want to kiss the ladies on the lips and dress them quicker. Oh, it's the big bad whoa. Yeah, I can rock hard rock. I can hard rock the whole show better than anybody. I can hard rock the whole show better than anybody. What? That's my brand new shit. I can rock the whole show. Hard rock the whole show better than anybody. Yeah, and if you don't like it, then you can go suck it, my lousy haters. And I can rock the whole show harder than anyway. Oh, it's the big bad wolf. Thank you very much. I can rock the whole show. And you can go shut it, sunshine, for waiting for the Elvis Presley. I can rock the whole show. It's the big band. Whoa.